Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today, gumawa po ako ng chicken curry with evaporated milk. So, alternative siya para sa ating coconut milk. Since ang hirap ngayon bumili ng fresh coconut milk. So, I will show you how to do it. So, ito po ang ating mga ingredients. I saute first our ginger. I will add now our onion. Saute it very well. Then we can now add our chicken. And by the way guys, kung bago lang po kayo sa aking channel, ako po si Mikaytv Vlogs. At ito po ang aking channel. Please like and subscribe and click nyo na rin po notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga future uploads ko. Ayan, medyo nag-golden brown na po yung ating chicken. So, ready natin ilagay ang ating mga spices. Ang ginamit ko po ay 2 tablespoons of curry since gusto namin na maanghang. At kung gusto niyo naman ng hindi maanghang, better na i-lessen nyo na lang po like 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Then, we can add now our potatoes and carrots. So, better po na hindi natin i-overcook ang ating vegetables. I-mix lang natin siyang mabuti para lasang-lasa yung curry sa ating chicken and vegetables. We can now add water. And simmer it for about 5 to 15 minutes since nasaute na siya kanina. So, semi-cook na yung ating chicken. And after 15 minutes at cook na yung ating chicken, let's just cook it in low heat since ready na pong ilagay ang ating evaporated milk. Kasi kung di siya in low heat, magbubuo-buo yung ating evaporated milk. It's the same goes to coconut milk. Let's just simmer it for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, our chicken curry with evaporated milk is done. So, madali lang po, diba? At sigurado magugustuhan to ng bawat miyembro ng ating pamilya. So, we can share it to other friends about this recipe. And then guys, let's shout out to our YouTube friends. At syempre, huwag niyo po sanang kalilimutan ang ating channel, Mikaytv Vlogs. And thank you for watching and see you in next video.